How to change the password of your Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Spotify account. So if you try to change your password through the Spotify app, you simply won't be able to change it from there. So what you'll have to do is, first of all, go to your browser. And now you can go to any browser, it's all up to your preference. And now once you're on your browser, simply go to spotify.com. After that, it will take you to this page where you'll have to first of all log into your Spotify account. And now once you're logged in, tap on the gear icon on the top right side of the screen. After that, tap on view account. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then tap on edit profile. After that, in this page, tap on this edit profile icon right over here. And then there you'll see the option named change password, so simply tap on it. And now you'll have to first of all enter the current password of your Spotify account. Now once you've done that, you'll have to create a new password for your Spotify account which you want to change. So let us simply enter it. And now once you've created or entered a new password, you'll have to type it again in the box below. And once you've done that, tap on set new password. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the password of your Spotify account. And from now on, whenever you try to log into your Spotify account, you'll have to use this password instead. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.